In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart in Google Sheets. Creating charts can transform raw data into clear, visual insights, making it easier to understand trends and patterns at a glance. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you have all the tips and context needed to make it as simple as possible. To start, make sure you have all your data organized in a table within your Google Sheet. The clarity of your data organization is crucial as it serves as the foundation for your chart. Take a few moments to review it, ensuring your headers are correctly labeled and your data entries are accurate will save you time and potential headaches later. Once your data table is polished and ready, the next thing you want to do is select all the data you intend to include in the chart. Simply click and drag across the cells, covering all the columns and rows that you will need to be represented in the chart. It's good practice to include column headers in your selection, as they will make your chart more intuitive and easier to label. With your data highlighted, head over to the menu at the top of the interface and locate the Insert tab. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the Chart option among several others. Select Chart, and Google Sheets will immediately generate a default chart based on your data. When the chart appears, you will notice the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is where the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and tailor your chart to fit your specific needs. The first decision you'll make here is selecting the type of chart that best represents your data. Google Sheets offers various options, from line charts and column charts to pie charts, bar charts, and even scatter plots. Each chart type serves a different purpose, so feel free to experiment to see which one best highlights your data's particular story. Once you've chosen your chart type, explore the customization options within the chart editor. This is your chance to adjust your chart's labels, colors, and other visual elements. You can switch to different views under the Setup and Customize tabs. Under Setup, you can make sure the correct data is being used, while Customize lets you finesse details like font size, background color, and legend settings. These small adjustments can greatly enhance the readability and impact of your chart. With those adjustments made, you've successfully created a chart that not only looks professional, but also effectively communicates your data's insights. Congratulations on mastering the basics of chart creation in Google Sheets. Now you can use your new skills to present data clearly and convincingly, whether for personal projects or professional reports. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this guide helps you turn numbers into narratives with ease.